Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to control which apps launch automatically when Windows 11 starts. Many programs running at startup can slow down your computer, and I will show you how to easily disable any app from. First, right-click on the Start icon located on your taskbar. Next, click on Settings from the list. Then, from the left sidebar, click on Apps. After that, click on Startup. Here, you will find a list of all the apps that are set to run automatically when Windows 11 starts. Next, review the list carefully. You will see a toggle switch next to each app. To disable any app from starting automatically, simply turn the toggle off next to the name of the app. This will prevent the app from launching at startup, helping your computer boot faster and perform better. Finally, once you have turned off the apps you do not need, close the settings window. Your changes are saved automatically, and the next time you start your computer, only the apps you want will run. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who might find it helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.